Here we see how to use file operations in Python programming. So in this program we have uh, read option and write option. Okay, this one is text equal to txt equal to open file. This R is given in the code, so then that is calling in a read mode. Okay, so this is called txt. Not only txt, anything you can use in place of txt, that is called file descriptor. So that file descriptor contains the whole information. Like that, similar to that, we have another write function here. Here we are opening a file with the write descriptor. Okay, and this will have only read only permission, and this will have write also write. And one more mode is that append mode. So when we have one file, we can open that one, and when we can read that, and we can also add the data on top of it. So if you see this program, we are just entering with the some about python.txt. It contains some information, and we are opening a file here, open file name R, and then we are trying to read what it contains. So this text is a file descriptor. Text.read is the it is reading, and then we similar to that, when we have that write function, in that we are taking the prompt from the command, and then the whatever input is given, that one. So hello world, welcome to the innovation, and thank you, some three lines are given. That three lines will go and will be written into the file by using again txt.read. This txt is again the file descriptor. Okay,